everybody, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 10. The top part of this, we're going to be working on division, where we're dividing by 8. We're going to come back down here, and we're going to be comparing fractions. We have less than, greater than, or equals to. Remember, when you're doing your less than or greater than signs, you're eating, the smaller one is going to eat the larger one. So whatever way it faces, that's a good way to remember that. So I shaded this one in because it's kind of hard to see, but the rest of them you're going to have to do yourself. 1/5 or 4/5, which is this. So 1/5 is less than 4/5, because when you shade them in, that one is less than. So you're going to compare this one. So you have half. There's half. I'm going to do this side first. There's a reason I did this one first. There's my half shaded in. This one I have to cut in a fourth. So this is where you have to really be careful and try to make it as equal as possible. And I did not do a good job of that at all. So I'm going to do it right about there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do, this is 1/4. Oh man, I really messed this one up. So I'm going to do it in a different color then. That's 1/4, and the rest of it is not shaded, and this is 1/2. So this one is larger than that piece. So again, 1/4 is less than 1/2. We're going to come here to the circles. So circles are hard. This is your thirds. All right, I'm going to shade in 1/3 of this one. Look at me go. I did that one. Yay, go me. I'm going to do this in 1/3 again. And then I'm going to divide each of those into half. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And I'm going to shade in 1/6. And again, this 1/6 is less than 1/3. So 1 whole. So this whole thing is being shaded in. And this one's going to be 5/5. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 5, and then you're going to shade in 5 of those. So again, 5/5 and 1 whole, they're equal. They are equal. They mean the same thing. So over here, you have 1/4. So I got to do fourths. So I'm going to do 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to shade in 1 of those. So 1/4. And this is going to be 1/7. So I got to do 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so 1/7. Over here we have 1/2. So we're going to cut that in half. Shade this top part. Oops, I didn't even do this one. So which one's smaller? Is 1/4 smaller or 1/7 smaller? Well, on this one, 1/4 is greater than 1/7. This is the bigger piece than that one. So over here I did 1/2 and 1/5. So we're going to divide this into fifths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to shade in that top part. So look at the parts that are shaded. This one is greater. So 1/5 or 1/2 is greater. This is the bigger one than 1/5. Okay, 1/8 and 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are equal because they're the same amount. Okay, so thirds, again, kind of put your dot in the middle and make your kind of peace sign for thirds. And 3/3 over here. And which one's greater than, which one's less than? I'm not doing that one for you. So over here, it says, Abby eats 1/4 of her granola bar. Grace eats 1/3 of her granola bar. Who eats more? So I'm letting you do this on your own. This is granola bars. You're going to divide. This is going to be, I'm going to put an A for Abby and a G for Grace. Remember, Abby's doing 1/4. Show that on a tape diagram. And Grace is doing 1/3. And over here, write the name of who eats more, Grace or Abby. Don't forget to finish up the top part. Make sure this gets into your folder so that it is all ready to come to me. Bye, guys.